Welcome to tomorrow. EVs are now a part of our daily lives, and so we also welcome EV claims. With a traditional ICE vehicle, adjusters have decades of experience to draw from and a relatively straightforward pathway when making recommendations on repair or replace consideration. That isn't the case on EVs. Adjusters must learn entirely new systems, new inspection processes, safety protocols, and carry with them sophisticated test equipment. Gone are the days of a visual inspection and maybe connecting to the OBD2 connector. Let's give a warm welcome to in-person inspections and highly technical testing procedures. Allow me to introduce you to Bright EVS, a 501c6 nonprofit organization tailored for the EV industry with a very specific focus: electric vehicles post-loss events. There are unique challenges posed by electric vehicles. They include battery charge state, diagnostic ports, safety considerations, parts and repair facility availability, and unjustifiable determinations, to name a few. Bright EVS understands different models and battery types, is mastering diagnostic processes and repair methodologies, knows how and where to source parts and qualified repair facilities. We also delve into practical matters like removing and selling damaged EV batteries to lower your replacement cost. Non-viable batteries are marketed to recyclers, once again returning proceeds to offset replacement cost. Bright EVS brings a well-balanced and quantifiable solution to the EV industry. We will train your staff, adjusters, and others, along with outfitting them with the needed testing equipment and PPE required to perform their inspections safely and accurately. Imagine gaining the expertise to interface directly with the battery management system, accurately diagnosing issues and determining repair or replacement needs. Let's use an analogy. Picture two identical vehicles, both experiencing the same symptoms: a damaged undercarriage and digital fault codes detected via an OBD2 connector. Based solely on the visual observation and the OBD2 trouble codes, Vehicle 1 is deemed a total loss due to assumptions about the underlying issues, while the other undergoes a thorough diagnostic process via advanced test equipment and well-trained personnel, uncovering repairable issues. The result? Significant cost reduction and efficiency increase by addressing the core issues and creating a sustainable approach to EV repairs. This is why Bright EVS has been formed. Better yet, our mission extends beyond training to encompass sourcing parts, repair facilities, remarketing, and recycling services. We also handle all these in-house if desired. Every offering is designed to deliver tangible savings and returns to both individual carriers and the industry at large. Bright EVS is built with and by its members. Membership is not just an opportunity, it's an investment in the future of EVs and a call to action. Membership is free, training and other services are provided at low cost. Most importantly, we ask you to share your expertise and voice. They are invaluable to shaping the future of EV claims and repair procedures. Ready to take the next step? Reply back to this post and one of our membership navigators will reach out to you. Thank you. We look forward to working with you.